This video today, I am going to show you how you can calculate averages using autosum formula and how you can calculate percentage growth with formula for large data. To do this, it is very easy. Assuming you are be given a data for SAMJUST company that is having about 9 branches, and in 2016 the average sales has been calculated for each of the branches, and for 2017 you have to calculate the average sales, and thereafter you have to calculate the percentage growth. To do this, it is very easy to calculate the average sales for each of the branches. The first method is you can quickly highlight. Let's say this is branch A. You want to calculate the average sale for branch A. Highlight it for September, October, November, December. Then quickly come here and select average. It's going to automatically calculate your average, and you do it also for branch B. You highlight and then you click on the average. It's going to automatically calculate it. But another method of solving this, which is very good and which is very easy, is using the formula. Now the formula for the average is very easy. It is equal to average into, now you are calculating average from September, October, November, December. Now September is under column C and is for branch A is row 3, column C, row 3. So you're going to write C3. Then for October is D3, November E3, and then December is F3. Then you close the bracket. Then instead of you to be entering the formula one after the other for the branches, what you need to do is just to drop down, or you drag it down to other branches. Automatically is going to solve other averages. Now you can say that it is in decimal. You can reduce the decimal here. Is either increase it or you decrease it here. Now I want it to be a whole number. I will reduce it and make it a whole number, and that is this simpler method of solving average or averages for branches of SAMJUST company. Now we want to calculate the percentage growth between 2016 and 2017. We discovered that there are differences in sales of those branches. Now how do we calculate the growth of those branches? To calculate the percentage growth, you insert the formula for branch A. The formula for percentage growth is the new average minus the old average divided by the old average. That is the old by the new minus the old divided by the old. Now the formula is equal to, then your bracket. The new average is under column G and is row 3, column G, row 3. So G3 minus the old average, this is 2016, is column B, row 3, minus B3. You close the bracket, close it, then divided by the old average, which is 2016, that is B3. Now instead of you to be calculating it for each of the branches one after the other, what you need to do is just simple, just drag it down to the last branch. Is going to automatically solve this. Then this is not yet the percentage. We want the percentage growth. What you need to do right now is just click on the percentage here. So automatically your percentages has been calculated, which is very easy. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos on SAMJUST-TV. Thank you.